want to talk to you today about uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage and what those are. Lots of people think that they have full coverage, and really all they have is liability and property damage coverage. What they call underinsured motorist coverage and uninsured motorist coverage, UN and UIM, are the most important coverages, in my opinion, that you can actually have, because the state minimums for insurance is only $15,000. So if you get injured in an accident, the $15,000 is not going to cover anything. And by the time you go to the doctor or the hospital, you're done. Your limits are exceeded at that point. If you need surgery or anything like that, there's no protection for you. If somebody has $15,000 policy and hits you, then your underinsured motorist coverage will actually stack on top of it as if it was their coverage. Now, a lot of people say, well, I don't want to use my own insurance. Well, it's not using your own insurance. It's something that you had the foresight to see and to prepare for. It doesn't raise your rate because it's a non-fault coverage. So there's actually laws in every state that says they can't raise your rate or drop you or anything for using coverages that you buy. If you get in an accident, you need surgery, and they only have $15,000 policy on the other side, your own uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage will kick in and add on to theirs whatever amount you buy. I would strongly suggest, if you ride a motorcycle, man, I'd get $250,000 to $500,000 to $1 million coverage on UIM and UM. Just a vehicle, I would still do the same. I'd have very high UIM and UM coverage. Contrary to popular belief, UM and UIM coverage is very inexpensive. If you talk to your insurance agent, a lot of times they try to discourage you from buying it because they don't really make a lot of money on it, and because it's very low coverage, because the other coverage of the at-fault party starts first and covers you, and then uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage stacks onto that. And so they don't try to push it very much. I was an insurance adjuster for State Farm for years, worked through their system, saw it many times, and I see it as an attorney many times. So important that people have uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage to protect them and their families. So make sure you buy it, make sure that you get it soon, sooner the better, obviously way before the accident, because you just never know, but it definitely protects you and your family, and it's so important. I can't tell you how important it is. It's the number one coverage I feel that you should have. So make sure that you get it. And if you have any questions, give us a call. We're always happy to talk to you about it.